Hello love, you're welcome to my beginner friendly ventilation class. So I'm going to be taking you on the basic of hair ventilation. Before you can know how to ventilate, it's very important that you know all these things I'm going to show you in this video. So while ventilating, don't hold your hair like this. It's very wrong. Make sure you put your hands very close, just the way you are seeing in the video. So the first one, I'm going to show you how to do single knots. When it comes to ventilation, we have three types of knots: single knot, double knotting, and double split knotting. So this particular one I'm showing you, it's called single knotting. This is not durable. It's mostly used for braided wig. So if you want to make braided wig, this is the one you use. If you want your knotting to be very tiny, single knotting is what you will use. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you now how to do single knotting. For those of you that don't know how to do it, bring your hands down, then you tight it. Now let's go again. Put your needle under the net, take your head, your strand. Make sure you don't pull your hair like this, because if you pull it, you are going to have some issues. So put your needle under the net, take strands of hair, then bring it down. You are going to have some issues. If you're a beginner, you are going to find it a little bit difficult, but don't worry, as time goes on you are going to get used to it. It happens to everybody, even me included. So put your needle through. For those of you that don't know how to put needle through the net, I think I will have to make a separate video, so that I'm going to take you guys on that. So do well to subscribe to my channel, because I've already started hair ventilation class. I'm going to be showing you guys how to ventilate. But first of all, this is the first basic of hair ventilation, what you need to know about hair ventilation. Now this is the single knotting. Like I said, it's not durable, it's not strong. Like, you don't use this single knotting to ventilate closure, because it's going to pull off. Hope you get me. It's going to pull off. When brushing it, it's going to pull off. So what you use to ventilate closure is double knotting, and here I'm going to be showing you, this is the double knotting. I'm going to be showing you how to do double knotting, just as the single knotting, but this time around you are going to tie it twice. Now let's go. You tie it one, now you tie it again. That is why it's called double knotting. Okay, now it's not all about doing the double knotting, it's about tying it, making the knot tiny. So as time goes on, I think your knot will be getting more tiny. Now put your strands, bring it down, tie it again, and that's it. Put your needle, take your hair strands. Make sure that while doing this double knotting, you are applying pressure. Now I'm going to be showing you double split knot. This is double split knot. This knot is also used for ventilating closures. When you want to ventilate closure, don't use this pattern for braided wig. Don't use double knot for braided wig. You only use single knotting for braided wig. So here there are two ways you can do a double split. So I'm going to be showing you the first one. You can choose to tie just as you did that single knotting. Then you take two strands and then tie it. This is double split. So guys, let's go again. Take two strands, tie it, and then you take from the other one and tie. Now I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Put your needle through the hole, pick your strand of hair, divide the hair into two and tie one, then you take the other one, not the first one you took, take the other one you've not tied, then tie it. This is how to do double split. Now let's go again. Put your needle through the hole, take your strand of hair, bring it down, take one, tie, then you take the other one that you have not tied, then tie it again. You see, piece of cake. Very, very easy, and as time goes on you are going to get used to it. So don't you ever bother yourself. If you are finding it difficult, you can always come back to this channel and watch this video until you get perfect. Now let's go again. Put your needle through the hole, take your strand of hair. Now this time around, tie the first one, then you take from. Now this is another method to do double splits. Let's go again. When you put your needle through the hole, pick your strand of hair, tie everything only once. Then the second one, you have to pick only one, divide it into two. Yes, divide it into two, then bring it down and make sure it's tight. Can you see? Double split. Guys, press the like button. While watching this video, please press the like button. If you are interested in hairstyle videos, how to make wig, hair ventilation, everything about hair, we post videos on that. So do want to go around my channel, check my other videos if there are any other videos you would like, and anticipate my next video. I'm going to be posting about ventilation, things you have to know about ventilation. So if you want to know more, do well by joining the Love Hair family and subscribe to this channel. Okay, drop a comment in the comment section if you have any video request, anything you would want to know, any video request at all. I'm here for you. Drop it in the comment section. I reply all comments and I grant video requests. So drop your video request in the comment section, and most importantly, press the red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, the most important, so that if there's any upload from me, you will get notified. So guys, I'm going to stop here. I'm done showing you guys the first basic of hair ventilation: single knotting, double knotting, and double split knot. So see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.